Hello and welcome to my store and welcome to my listing for Maybelline New York Snapscara Deja Blue. Now these are, I wanted to just give you an idea of the condition of the boxes. Now the boxes, however, may be a little bit beat up from shipping, but these are in sealed and perfect condition. And I wanted to give you a little bit better look at the true color here, which is you can see through this bottle, hopefully. And of course, all of the instructions and the ingredients and any other information you would need are, of course, on the back of the box. I wanted to just give you a better look at the product and what you can expect when you order from me. I hope this has helped you out. Now, if you like makeup and you like HBA, health and beauty products, give my store a like. I will be uploading or listing more and more as time goes on with different name brand products. I hope this has helped you out. Thank you for visiting.